Today I am going to explain factors. What is factor? In another way, you can understand that factor is an exact divisor. What is meaning of exact divisor? Means no remainder. Means what? Remainder should be 0. So first of all, what is factor? You can define a factor. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly without leaving remainder. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly without leaving remainder. Now see children, you can understand by this. So 15 divided by 4 and 15 divided by 5. So 4 3 is 15, 4 3 is 12, this is 3, and 5 3 is 15. Here remainder is 0. So that's why 5 is factor of 15, because this division is fulfilled of this to this definition. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly. Here 5 is factor of 15 because 5 is dividing 15 exactly, no remainder. But in this example 4 is divisor, but 4 is not exact divisor. Why not exact divisor? Because remainder is 3. So except 0, any other number is coming remainder, that means that is not exactly divisible. That means that number is not factor of another number. Clear? Now what are the properties of factors? Now see, suppose factors of 6. We know that 6 is exactly divisible by 1, by 2, by 3, by 6. Now 1 is a smallest factor of 6. And what is greatest factor? 6 means number itself. So properties of factors. First property, 1 is factor of every number. Second, greatest factor of a number is number itself. One is the smallest factor and greatest factor of a number is number itself. Always remember, if you have to find greatest factor of 10, it's very simple, number itself means greatest factor of 10 is 10. Third, factors of a number are always less than or equal to the number. factors of a number are always less than or equal to the number. See all the factors, either 1 is less than 6, 2 is less than 6, 3 is less than 6, but 6 is equal to the 6. Never greater than the number. Factors are always less than the number or equal to the number. 4 one is factor into factor. This is product. Means 3 into 5. This is 15. So 15 is exactly divisible by 3 as well as 5. So 3 and 5 both are factors of 15. So factor into factor, product. So 3 into 5, 15 is product, and 3 and 5 both are factors of 15. A number can have more than 2 factors. Can have more than 2 factors. Maybe 2 factors, maybe 1 factor, and can have more than 2 factors. Okay, chill. Thank you.